Meaning of evening dress.
Evening dress.
Evening dress.
Evening dress.
Evening dress. An evening dress is a formal attire worn by women for formal or semi-formal events that take place in the evening. It typically refers to a long, elegant gown made of luxurious fabrics such as silk, satin, or chiffon. Evening dresses are usually tailored to fit closely to the body and accentuate the curves of the wearer. They often feature intricate embellishments like beading, sequins, or embroidery. The style of an evening dress may vary depending on the occasion, ranging from classic and conservative to trendy and daring.